Hey, welcome to Everyday Africa YouTube channel. 85% of you have not subscribed to this channel. We make travel content, show you Africa every day. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Okay guys, today is the start of our program that I'm here for in Nigeria, Abuja. So I'm checking out of my hotel room now. Yes, so stay with me as we go together. Let me pick my bag up. This place is an amazing place. I had a wonderful night. Everything is amazing. So I'm here with my friend, my colleague.
Yes, sir.
Fodi.
I'm here now.
He's the resident minister for Gambia.
Who told you? Please don't give me case.
So we are now to the restaurant to have breakfast. It's a nice place. Beautiful hotel. So we're in the elevator now. Going down. So far, that was your night.
Very splendid, man.
So what's your experience with the hotel? Do you like this place?
I'm more than love, you know. This is very beautiful and comfortable.
Very. I think this way to the restroom. This is the line.
I've always been like, okay, let's shift, relocate to Lagos, come to Lagos. I'm like, coming is not an issue, but not just you be driving me to everywhere. I need to go to Lagos. I went to Lagos one time, my first US time. I was like, okay, let's go to Lagos. And then, you know, I didn't even know my way around. I checked those, looked at like, find a something and then, so it was just explaining how easy it is to take public transport. I was like, okay, sure, let's do it.
sectors for the US dollars to